Hey you guys, what's up? Yeah, I'm in here with my daughter, if you hadn't figured that out yet. We got a car project to work on today, and even though I'm sitting in the Viper right now, it's not the Viper that needs to be worked on, thankfully. The car that we are going to be working on today is my wife's 2015 Subaru Impreza. She has a brake light out, so I'm going to see about replacing myself, save a few bucks, learn something new, and hopefully it'll be a success all around. So let's go check it out and get started. And here's the bulbs that I found for this project. Obviously you might not find the exact same brand. Step 1 for this project, open the rear hatch and expose the 2 bolts that you need to remove. Step 2, remove the 2 bolts. So as I'm taking these 2 bolts out, I'm actually noticing that they're kind of loose, surprisingly enough. So you might want to use this opportunity to check the other side and make sure that those 2 bolts are nice and snug. Step 3, pull out the tail light casing. So when you're taking this tail light casing out, just be sure to kind of pull it straight back as much as you can. Don't twist it or turn it or tilt it because you don't want to snap something. This is hard to get a good hold of. It's an awkward surface to grab hold, and there's not really anything to grab hold. Rubber gloves do help because they give you some extra grippiness. Ow. Just gonna put a rag right here really quick just to protect everything from getting scratched. All right, and from this angle with the tail light out, the bulb we want to work on is in the rear left corner. Once you find whichever bulb you need to replace, you remove the socket by carefully rotating counterclockwise and then pulling straight out. Remove the old bulb, new one in, snap it in place, fit it in, then turn clockwise, then reverse all the steps. Now we just gotta test it, but I do hope that this was helpful. Can you see it?
Yeah, looks good.
All right, you guys, and just like that, project done, taillights working. I would say DIY mission success. Anyone out there who has a 2015 Subaru Impreza of the same year or like years, that's all you gotta do to replace any of the taillight bulbs. There you go. So on that note, you guys, I will let you go. Take care, and we will see you on the next one.